Well, hello everybody, and how are you doing today? Today is a lovely day out here in the Ret Rod Garage, and I have a treasure. Oh, it's a treasure. Some of you might remember I spent 3 days getting the lug nuts off of this Jeep the other day because the lug nuts were crap, and I say that without much hesitation. They were lug nuts that were made out of multiple layers of crap. Well, by golly, here's one right here. If I get the light right, maybe you can see it. There's one right there. There. Now this part down here is welded to this part right here, which is where the edges are that would go into a wrench. And then this crunched up thing here is a little aluminum tin piece of molded something that slipped over it and was chrome plated. It's supposed to make it look like it's a chrome lug nut, stainless steel lug nut, something of that nature. But it's not. It looks like if I was going to make something in a rash moment of stupidity that was bound to fail, but maybe it was a half a hair cheaper, I'd make something like that over there. This here box contains many treasures. Let me refocus my focus here. Look, just look at this. Now, I got this off online. I can't remember if it was Amazon or eBay, but I think it might have been Amazon. Now, that is a one-piece thing. It's all stainless steel, and I think this is a 12 by 20, a half inch by 20, but it fits the Jeep. There's 23 of them in here, which I figure they give you the 3 extra in case you're running a spare tire rack and you need some bolts to put your spare tires on. I can't remember exactly, but roughly around $20 for that. Now, in the parts store, one of these will run you $3. So if you multiply 23 times 3, you get $69. So that's a pretty good deal. I get some good deals from going online and ordering stuff. I have to wait a few days to get it, but it's worth it. So what I want to do today is just crank up my trusty little air compressor. I'm going to take the lugs off of these wheels because I still have those mixed up lugs on here. And I'll put those lugs back on it so that I never, and I'm saying never, I mean never, have that problem again. So you're welcome to watch me mess around with this. Or you're welcome to, go back in the back bedroom there and take a nap or pour yourself a cup of hot coffee and watch Days of Our Lives. They still have Days of Our Lives. My mom used to watch that. Like time, like sands through the hourglass, so are the days of our lives. Yeah. So y'all could get yourself a cup of coffee or sweet tea and go sit and watch that. Old Bill used to watch golf. Y'all can go watch some golf. Or you can hang out here with me because that's what I'm going to be doing today. And on top of that, I'm going to be putting this white truck cab here that belongs to master artist Luke Palioka on this truck body. Because this truck cab here is all broken and missing some posts and stuff. And Luke said there's a grill on this one that would come off and go on to this one. So I'm going to be putting this truck body on that. And also, I'm going to be putting these wheels. Well, actually, I might use these wheels, but I'm going to be mounting them on this frame. And I'll make a whole new video to talk about that. Cut. End of video.